Want the inside scoop on what's guaranteed to be flying off Amazon's shelves in 2025? Forget guessing, we've got 5 game-changing gadgets, already pegged as next year's absolute bestsellers. You're getting the first look right now. First up, the JTEMAN 2-in-1. This isn't just a phone stand. It's a desk upgrade that screams Amazon bestseller. For under $30, you get hands-free viewing and boosted HD surround sound. It's practical, widely compatible, and that anti-slip base means your expensive phone stays put. This kind of multifunctionality at this price point. Yeah, expect this to be everywhere in 2025. Next, a name synonymous with Amazon's success, Ring. Their 2025 Battery Doorbell is set to dominate home security. We're talking head-to-toe HD video, easy USB-C charging, and seamless Alexa integration. Two-way talk, real-time alerts. Ring knows what customers want. This is a future Amazon chart topper. Mark my words, even if you have to wait a bit for stock. Think DIY isn't a bestseller category. Think again, Rust-Oleum's 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint is a consistent Amazon favorite, and for good reason. This stuff transforms anything wood, plastic, metal, with a fast-drying, durable, chip-resistant finish. At this price, for this quality and coverage, it's a no-brainer why this will continue to be an Amazon top seller through 2025. Parents, listen up, the SKYLA HOMES Baby Locks are already in Amazon's choice. And they're perfectly positioned to be a 2025 bestseller in child safety. Quick for adults, impossible for toddlers, and super easy 3M adhesive installation, no tools needed. Peace of mind for parents is always in demand, making these a guaranteed hot item. Finally, protecting your hearing with crystal clear sound, that's the Eargasm promise. These high-fidelity earplugs offer serious noise reduction without muffling the sound. Concerts, loud events, even for noise sensitivity, they're a game changer. With a perfect fit guarantee and a handy case, these are exactly the kind of smart, niche, but widely appealing product that climbs Amazon's bestseller ranks. Keep an eye out for these.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,